ang lamig. Dito na kami sa airport. Yan, kasi aalis na si Sebi today. 1 week lang siya dito sa Dubai. Ang lamig. Nakalimutan ko magdala ng jacket. Ang lamig, eh. Busy. Daming tao. Daming pasahero. No, how's your week in Dubai?
Well, good evening, boss. My week was incredible. I had an amazing time, and I'm gonna miss Dubai, really. But this is the last vlog you'll see from Sebi for about 2 months. We'll be right back. We really will be. But you know, when I first became a guest star on this channel, I never knew how much it would mean to me. I really just, you know, I've grown a strong connection with y'all. So, with that,
Salamat pose.
salamat pose. Salamat for everything.
Can you explain why you say pose instead of po?
Okay.
Because he said it's pose is like
The plural of pose.
That's what I said.
Catriona. Catriona. Uy, madilim pala. Where's Catriona? Pauwi na kami. Hinatid na namin si Kuya Sebi sa airport. Tahimik na naman yung bahay ulit. Ha? Kami na naman ni Bibi matitira palagi. Ha? Hello? Na? Hindi ikaw natulog. Itsura. Kasi mama. Kuya Chapa, we're home. We're home, Kuya. Nasa bahay na kami. Yan, kakainin ko lang to si Bibi ng kanyang dinner. Late ang dinner kasi 8 na kami nakauwi. 8 or mga 7:50 something ganun. Kaya late yung dinner ng batang to. Miss Rachel is life na naman kasi umiyak kanina. Ha? Pakainin ko muna itong mga people and hanggang dito na lang siguro ang aking vlog. Maraming salamat sa inyong palaging panonood. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless and bye.